Do you feel that your home is truly protected? Do you trust that I can take care of every person in your family at every moment? Have you completely surrendered to me, allowing me to guide and bless your home? In Psalm 91 it is written, "Whoever dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in whom I trust." I want you to know that I am that refuge and fortress, and I am always with you and your family. Beloved child, I see every detail of your home and every step of your family. I know the fears you carry and the worries that sometimes keep you from resting. I place my protection over your home and everyone who lives in it. Where there is sadness, I pour out joy. Where there is fear, I bring courage. Where there is weariness, I offer rest and peace. Trust that I am taking care of everything. I protect every space in your home. No evil can enter where I am present. No negative force will have access to your family. I cover every corner with my wings, bringing safety, peace, and harmony. I touch the hearts of your family, bringing reconciliation, love, and unity where there is distance or disagreement. I am the safe refuge for each person you love. I bless your children, bringing wisdom, discernment, and joy. I strengthen the parents, giving patience, love, and balance. I sustain relationships and marriages, fostering respect, dialogue, and harmony. I also take care of the daily needs of your home. No table will go empty, no need will go unnoticed. I am the provision for each day, and I place my blessings over everything you do with faith and dedication. I guard your family against accidents, illnesses, and the attacks of the enemy. No work of darkness will have power. I send my angels to surround you, ensuring constant protection and divine safety. Even when challenges seem great, remember, I never abandon those who trust in me. I uphold, guide, and strengthen each one of you. Your safety is in me, not in walls, locks, or human defenses. My light shines over your home. Every step, every decision, and every choice is illuminated by my presence. I am the guest of honor in your home, and where I am, there is peace, love, and blessing. Amen. If you love me, subscribe to the channel and continue receiving words of blessing.